Section 2.4, problem number 5, we have this equation 7x equals 28. To solve this, we need to use the multiplication property, which says that anything that we multiply by one side, we need to multiply by the other side. So we have this coefficient of x, 7x, and the only way to get x by itself is to get rid of this 7. And the only way to get rid of the 7 is to realize that this is actually a whole number or a fraction. Any whole number over 1 is a fraction. And we need to multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 7 over 1 is 1 over 7. So when we multiply the left-hand side by 1 over 7, we also need to multiply the right-hand side by 1 over 7. So what happens here is we have the 1 over 7 and the 7 over 1. These are reciprocals, which always cancel out to give us 1. So on the left, this simplifies to 1x. On the right, we can do a similar thing where we put the 28 over 1. So we have 28 over 1 times 1 over 7, means that when we multiply these together, we end up with 28 over 7. Now we just need to simplify. So the left-hand side simplifies because the 1 drops out, giving us x. The right-hand side simplifies by either doing prime factorization, or we can just put this into our calculator. If we put it in the calculator, we get 28 divided by 7, gives us 4. If we were to do it by prime factorization, we find out that 28 is 2 times 2 times 7 over 7. The 7's cancel out, so we end up with a 1 in the denominator and 2 times 2. So this would be 4 over 1, or 4. You get the same answer either way.